Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to solve fail to update. Updates are temporary unavailable, try again later problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Press on power button, click on restart and tap to restart phone normally. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode. Check internet connection and connect Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go to phone setting, click on my phone, click on check for update and click on check for update. My phone update complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.